Tax benefits of owning your first home. Property taxes. Now, let's talk about a boring and yet extremely interesting topic. Common tax deductions. Now, first and foremost, a disclaimer. I am not a CPA or a tax professional, so always check with your professional tax advisor on what best works for you. Now, with that said, let me advise you on how to save your taxes with real estate. Now, when you own a home, you can actually deduct property tax against your income tax. You get to deduct your mortgage interest and your property taxes. Now, let's say for example that you make $100,000 between you and your spouse. Your taxes will be around $10,000. Standard deduction for a non-homeowner is about $11,400, giving you a tax refund of $3,608. Now, flip the coin. Homeowners usually have a bigger deduction than the tiny deduction the government gives to non-homeowners. Now, using that same example, you and your spouse have a combined income of $100,000. You decide to buy a house and you get a loan of about $350,000. Now, as a homeowner, you can write off charity contributions, any excess medical expenses, any state or local fees. When you're a renter and you become a homeowner, well, you can file itemized tax return under deductions and it becomes about $28,084, increasing the tax refund to $7,288. Now, that's a little technical. Let's say that if you decide to sell your primary residence, well, you actually tax exempted to up to $250,000 in capital gains, provided they live there for a minimum of 2 years. Now, if you're married, then the exemptions is $500,000 in capital tax gain exemptions. In an appreciating market, that's a very substantial. Again, provided that they live there for at least 2 years. Back in the days, you will have to move that money from one property to another until you are 55 years old or older. Nowadays, you can actually take advantage of that much more frequently. You could buy a property, live in it for 2 years, sell it for a higher value, buy another property using that cash that you made, pay less than market value, and repeat the process again. Once again, you take advantage of the tax program, you should actually talk to an accountant or CPA. Now, let's say for rental properties. If you own rental properties, your gas is deductible, you get to depreciate your property, you actually own a rental property, you can consider hiring a property manager. It's also deductible. Now, obviously, this is a very simplified explanation, but it is intended for you to appreciate the tax advantages of owning a home. Click subscribe if you'd like to learn more about the different topics regarding real estate. Thank you, and I will talk to you soon.